streets.
And now for our feature presentation.
Ten stepper head of them, 10 stepper. Tell them now, Selassie I federal, Rasta we a fight war spiritual. Hey. Welcome Granny, the general, Ocho. Step in on the war, make a entry. Winnings me innings, Grannies make a century. Steam chalice, we have the better sense. Better than we have beretta plenty. Babylon, them a pre-man in the city. Get to find out them a demon in the city. When it all boil down to the deep and integrity. See it clear, them mix up in a iniquity. Stepping at the wild battlefield with the pagan and a sprinkle. I'll me feet, them I want to see Sila spend Kyle and me sweet. But Sila see I'm a me guide and me shield. Hey, them a pre-man in the city. Get to find out them a demon in the city. When it all boil down to the deep and integrity. See it clear, them mix up in a iniquity. Over the people right for me heart. Babylon. Full suit of arms, sword in the hand. Ready to go down, down, dirty Babylon. Man a warrior boy. Tell them man a warrior boy. That is real warrior. Feel like real warrior. Real warrior boy. Jehovah evil warrior. Babylon you might win the fight, but a Christ win the war. Can't trick me with vanity, no frightened figure. All the money in the world and the prettiest girl. Tell your old Jezebel me no frightened fear. It's on the roots and Baba war. If I don't come a war with you, no matter war. Real Spartan in a Jaja war. In a khaki suit like me go up to the bar. Tell them from day one.
Alright, bless up Jamaica, bless up worldwide. You know, this is Tezza Boy, aka David Love. This is Virgo, aka Virgo. Yeah, so we're here in 8 Rivers Plaza Car Park, and we're doing a little meet and greet. This is our official meet and greet, whereas all the different car groups and all the different Altezzas over Jamaica meeting up for a big socialization, you know. We are doing a good thing. So Virgo is here. The big question always popped. You know, what's the next step for Tezza Kingz? This is just the first step. Nothing big. We're just talking, seeing where we headspace is. Basically, the next step is we want to put on an official show. You know, different categories, invite all the different car groups. You know, one language, universal cars. So the big question. The next step for Tezza Kingz is we would put on some charity events, you know, after the first show, see how it go. We can give back to Jamaica, probably a few schools, homes, all that stuff. So me and Virgo with the admins running it off. So basically it's in the making. A lot more to come. Bless up. Want to big up the sponsors again, 876 Streets, Virgo Photography, RJD Performance, Large.
And Jam Trucks.
Alright. Oh
yeah, Jam Trucks is a place for all your security needs, tracking devices, car alarms, etc. So Jam Trucks is a place to be in Montego Bay. Big up.
Oh.
Morning, sir. Tezza, part of the Tezza Kingz family. I currently have a Toyota Altezza, which is a year 2003. Nice little engine, not the baddest on the street, but it's a 1G, 2 liter. Pearl white, play with the black. White rims, refer to it as white pan white. Interior, leather. You won't find much of them with leather. You know, so it's a cut above the rest, somewhat, but the rest of them are the boss still. Can't take nothing from them, but now go and own my own for Tezza.
Alright, so I'm Virgo from Tezza Kingz, one of the admins. Yeah, we just have a link up here in 876 Streets along with Jam Trucks and RJD Performance to distribute some trophies at our link up today, annual link up, first link up for Tezza Kingz. So we'll be distributing trophies for lowest ride and cleanest car.
Yeah, we're there. Big up to Tezza Kingz, you know, put on the link up this Sunday. They have to support TWS crew there in full numbers. Big up to 876 Streets. You don't know the first thing we start all of this, making it possible so all of we can come to unite. You don't know Big Clear there, representing the TWS. Enough respect. 876 Streets, repping for Jamaica's sickest rights. Big up.
Yeah, blessings one and all. This is Ocho out of Flatty Society, as you all know, CEO of Flatty Society, and we are here today at the Tezza link up over 8 Rivers Plaza in Ocho. Here the fans around here and a few members of it. Yeah, so if you see the movement and you're driving a Flatty, a 91 or a 89 or a 88 Flatty, you know, you can follow us on Instagram at Flatty Society and on Facebook at Flatty Society. If you want to join the crew, you just inbox us, you know what I mean? So, you know, we support all of the car brands and groups and every event that them do. You know, we have a few members that we have all over Jamaica, so we send a few members there, we send a few here, and you know, we just represent because all of us can't be here at once, you know, some have work and other family things to sort out. So we're just here today and big up the link, big up everybody, big up 876 Streets, the whole Tezza crew, the whole CRV squad and everybody, every other car brand, big up on yourself, man. You know the thing, one link, you know, Ocho, Flatty Society, one love, I'm out, you know.
Alright peeps, Stammer down here. Carry rest of my one, Chase GTA. And what are we rep? Flatty Society, you see me? So big up on damn self, 876 Street.
Nick, you represent for Flatty Society straight.
This is Ocho, aka Flavor. Girl them savior, who have no behavior, repping Flatty Society straight, you know the thing. Yeah man, 876 Street, big up.
Very calm cars, real Flatty, 7A, full field, repping Flatty Society straight.
Dido, representing Flatty Society. 4AG, 1616, 876 Street.
Dido wifey. Dido wifey.
Oh, wifey.
For lifey.
Alright, big up.
So big up on yourself, 876 Street, is it?
Yeah, man, up top.
Tezza link up, Ocho, team, CRV squad, represent Sandax, Chevy, Sean Bass, Quinger, the real man, Fabian. Yeah man.
Who I say CRV squad is here. Big up to all other teams who found out to support Tezza link up. CRV squad is there to be different, and we're there to support any car group.
Much big up and much big up. Going to represent for CRV squad. You hear that? Yeah man, out and bad. Yeah man, Tezza Kingz. Up, link up, turn up yours. Represent CRV squad. They are Tezza link up. Big up 876 Street.
Watch you, we're there.
One out.
I am the king. I am the king.
Here the levels. Marlon, aka Baby Boy, you don't know, representing LTS, Level Toronto Society. Virgin the side of my set speed. Say something, man.
Gio from Mobile, represent the Living Society. Yeah man, we just start there, link up, and we make everything that endorse the thing, you know what I mean?
Underman them CRV, Tezza thing, but you have to make them up. You see it, you have to them thing. But here the levels now, this could not happen without 876 Streets. Big up everybody.
Yeah, man.
All who ride, drive, fly, run,
Everything.
big up on us.
Everything. Big up everybody.
Yes.
One love. Yeah man. Gio.
here at Tezza Kingz Link Up. You know, here's the rest of our group. Big up everybody that's come out to support. You know, it's a nice vibe. Love what's going on. Big up 876 Street, always here representing. You know.
I am the king and will not be. I am the king and will not be the king and will not. I am the king and will not be the king and will not.
Alright, so Bunks, on behalf of Tezza Kingz, we'd like to award you this trophy. Very much right. Nice. From Duffer.
Alright, so I'm presenting the first place over to the lowest ride winner here. Driving this camera out of Kingston.
Yes, so this is Clay, Intrigue Clay, third of society boss. Winner of the cleanest car, the Tezza Kingz Link Up at Ocho Rios. Big up Virgo, putting on this great event, and big up 876 Streets. You don't know, Day One Linky. Big up.
Damn!
You don't know, Nado. Represent EK Lifestyle JA. Don't know, big up to the whole family. All who there, all who not there, big up same way. And as you don't know, 876 Streets, big up, Lord.